6:30 a.m. we are going to the mountains. Introducing mountains to the people. I like it. You know, I'm like feeling like a child. When someone visits you, then you're going around your house and showing people what's interesting, what you're proud of. So the same thing is also for me with the mountains. It's like I'm just showing around, trying to deliver that feelings, what I feel when I'm going to the mountains. All this slope is cleaned out now, and there is like a charcoal factory now. Maybe I will go down. So this is a place where they're making langas. That's a charcoal, they make local ones. So they're taking the wood from around here, and then they're burning it. They're covering. So if you're burning the wood and there is no oxygen, right? Only little oxygen, because without oxygen it cannot burn, but the oxygen is really little. So then that's how the charcoal is made, and that's it. Sort of later on they packing up into the sacks and delivering to Ahmed, and later on we buying it and using it for the barbecue. Berapa one? 70. So one sack is 70,000. 70,000. Yeah, there's a lot of like some part of this charcoal becomes like a powder. So that one you cannot use. That is why he's like taking only the bigger pieces, putting in a sack, and that's the thing. That's what it is selling. When people visiting my place, it's really important for me to show the places I personally like. Like whenever people coming here, and I bring them to the mountains if they want, of course. Maybe they don't want to and it's too tough for them, but I definitely want to bring them there and to show how beautiful it is. I don't like when people visiting my place and start saying something bad about it, because it's like it's kind of insulting me. That's my place. It's the same like, for example, you come to my house and you say your house is crap, I don't like it. It's like, okay, I can be polite and keep quiet, but I'm not kind of that person. If you're coming to Asia and you start crying when you're looking around just because the people are so poor, are you really sure these people are like a kind of poor? They're actually really rich inside, and they're taking all these problems absolutely differently as you. You start comparing as a material parts of this particular place. Well, for those people, the material is not that important. Of course, it's important to survive, but it's not the most important thing for them. And that's why, like, that's real story actually. When there was some people coming, it happened in the Philippines, but the same I can actually also apply to Bali in some particular places. So the car stops, I'm waiting for my guest, the guest is coming out and she's crying. And I'm asking, why you are crying? And she said, yeah, I was driving this 3 hours to your place and it looks so poor and poor people around and they living so poor life. And I said, have you seen any one of them crying? They all smiling, they all laughing, they're feeling absolutely happy with what they have. And that's something we actually have to learn. We have to learn to live these humble lives and enjoying them, enjoying every single moment. Most Asian people is living today. So they're enjoying this particular day, this particular moment. Ja, varu? Nē. Okay. Laura called me, so German is coming back for the advanced course. And that's the proof that I've been doing everything to feel them here comfortable. And that's why people are coming back to you. It doesn't really matter how fancy place you are living. Sometimes it's more comfortable and more cozy in this small kitchen where you're sitting with your friends. You can talk about everything. You're drinking a tea. Maybe someone is drinking cocktail, but the feeling is so cozy that no one really wants to leave. You've been sitting there for all the night and it felt like 5 minutes. And that's the feeling what I always looking for. That's what I'm trying to do with everyone I'm communicating. I'm always really open. I'm always trying to be really hospitable and to give out everything I can give. I'm giving you the best I have, and you trying to give something to me, or even it's only a smile from you or a laugh, that means really a lot for me. People, be more open, be more kind, trust each other more, help each other more, and we will live in a beautiful world. And that's the most important things in your life. All right, thank you very much for watching. That was an episode from mountains today. We did nothing really else. We spent a beautiful morning in the mountains, sitting, talking, drinking a coffee, and it was amazing. It was really amazing. It wasn't really like a long hike or running around and trying to look for the waterfalls. No, it was just going simply a little bit up, sitting down in a shed because it was already hot, making a coffee, have a good talk, and it made all the day. Thank you very much. Subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.